are you guys going? I can't really look that way. Oh, you really want to be in the picture, don't you? Yes, look at that cute little face. Where are you going, huh? Okay, they're almost the age where they can officially leave their mother, although, you know, they're not even close to being fully developed. Me personally, I think that they... What are you barking at? Oh, wow. Well, he said, she said, well, actually, it's both he's, so. Ooh, vicious. Oh, so vicious. Hi, Twiggy. What are you doing? You're looking at my toes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're ganging up on you, Twiggy. Run! Run, Twiggy! Oh, Twiggy! No. Arr, arr, arr. Oh, you guys are so vicious. I think it's about time to get you guys some dinner, huh? What do you think? You guys want some dinner? Huh? Oh. Twiggy! Okay. I think you showed him who's boss. Yes, you did. Oh, Lancelot. Getting ganged up on?